Kuryakyn, it's time to talk. Again. Alright, fat boys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time clicking on a video, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. Now back to this. So Kuryakyn starts off, I love this bag. Overall, it is an amazing bag and it is top notch. Getting into it, let's talk about the positives first. We have the cost. This bag alone costs $170, which is not bad at all for what you're getting for the price. It is right around every other competitor's, but I feel like you're getting more out of it compared to other companies. You have all of these modern loopholes, that way you can attach anything to it. I use my net to attach onto here so I can attach things on top of here. You also got these metal hooks on here. And you got the bungee right here. You got the cup holders. You got the handles. You got all these pouches and pockets everywhere in here. And it holds so much. You can hold a tent. You can hold a teepee. You could hold a baby. You could hold a dog. Just kidding, don't do those last two. But I have come close to thinking about them. Let's open this up and show you too. In here, I have some of my camping stuff already inside of here. You have some sleeves that you can put some of your like nighttime stuff in there for when you're going camping, you're doing your long haul trips. And then you got this big space right down in here. I've thrown a whole queen size sleeping bag inside of here and the air mattress too, and it's fitted. You also got a laptop slot in here. Don't know why you'd be putting a laptop in here too, but you know, you can fit some other small things in there too. And then you also got these little strap downs in here too. You also got this top compartment that you can see I do have some of my camping stuff in here. I got my hammock, I got my towels, I got my light, whole bunch of stuff. This is where you can apply all of your, like, I need to get to it right away without going deep inside of it stuff. And it holds also just a lot of stuff right inside of here. You also even got another zipper to where you can keep all your important papers and documents. I got my flint starter right in here right now, so I know I never lose it. Man, this bag just holds so much. And how this mounts, it's actually a sissy bar bag. So on the back here, you got all of these straps right here that are meant to go over the sissy bar. And you also got all of these straps from the metal hooks and metal loops on here to where you can mount them to the bike too, so that way you know it's not going anywhere. I mount these down to my passenger pegs and my saddlebags too. To the other Kuryakyn saddlebags, which if you want to see that video, it's gonna be right up here in this corner. Make sure you go and watch that too. And it just works. It works very well for what you want it to do. My one strife with this bag though, Kuryakyn, is that these do not come out enough to make sure that they can go over the sissy bar. So on my sissy bar, I have a padded backrest and these don't come out far enough. So when I'm trying to do the fitment, it doesn't want to go over the entire way. It becomes really difficult in order for it to fit. So in the next one, can you try making these just a little bit longer? Maybe a little bit, allow them to come out more, or even make them bungee. That would be really cool too. That would be another option to allow them to be able to get them, you can get them really tight and they would be able to stretch too. Anyways, it's still a really good bag. I really recommend this for anyone, any cruiser wanting to do their long haul trips that don't necessarily want to buy a whole touring pack. So if you like this video, make sure you go and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when the next video is going to come on out. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.